Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can transfer your domain to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify account. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go to the left side of your screen, go all the way down until you find settings. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then once you're here, you need to find domains in this little list that includes all of the sections in settings. So it's gonna be here down, and this is it. So once you find this, go ahead and click on it. And then you're gonna find here buy or connected domain, secure the perfect domain for your store that customers can trust and find easily. Buy a new domain from Shopify or connect a domain you already purchased from a third party like Google Domains or GoDaddy. So as you can see guys, there is two options right here. Buy new domain, and this is if you want to buy a new domain from Shopify, or you can connect an existing domain, which is the option we need to click on because this is the option that lets you transfer your uh, domain to Shopify. So click here, and then you need to type the domain right here. And once you finish, go ahead and click on next. And then the domain will be transferred. So as you can see, guys, I didn't type the domain here. That's why I got this message. But if you type a domain that you own and click on next, then it will work. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.